In today's fast-paced market, investing in the right business machines can significantly boost your productivity and profitability. Amazon offers a variety of high-quality, efficient tools designed to streamline operations and enhance output, from versatile leather cutting machines and reliable pneumatic strapping tools to advanced vending machines and precise bottle corking equipment. There's something for every entrepreneurial need. Here are 10 business machines you can buy on Amazon to make money. Number 1. Vending for snacks and drinks. Transform your business with the KVMG 636 Snack and Drink Vending Machine. This compact yet powerful machine offers a variety of selections, including cold sodas, candies, chips, and snacks, ensuring customer satisfaction. Equipped with advanced liquid injection foam technology, it provides superior insulation, keeping products at optimal temperatures. The removable refrigeration system and stratified temperature control make maintenance a breeze, while adjustable tray spacing allows for flexible product arrangements. Featuring an LED lighting system, glass heater, and tempered door glass with argon gas interspace. This machine is designed for energy efficiency and durability. With a robust MDB and DEX ready telemetry system, cashless payment options, and secure locking mechanisms, the KVMG 636 guarantees reliable operation and easy management. Perfect for high-traffic locations, this vending machine maximizes your revenue potential with minimal effort. Number 2. Bottle corking machine. Enhance your bottling process with the Saladuce bottle corking machine, meticulously designed for precision and durability. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this machine ensures long-term use and reliability. Equipped with 2 palm sleeves for different bottle types, it accommodates a wide range of cork sizes and bottle heights, making it versatile for various applications. The high-quality pressing rod adopts a labor-saving lever mechanism, reducing your effort and increasing productivity. Its humanized design includes an adjustable screw for height modifications, easily operated without the need for a wrench. The anti-skid pad and rubber handle ensure safe and comfortable use. Ideal for both natural and synthetic corks, this corking machine is perfect for wineries and home brewers alike. Streamline your bottling process with the Saladuce bottle corking machine and enjoy efficient, high-quality results every time. Number 3. Screen printing machine. Introducing the screen printing machine, a game changer for your creative endeavors. This innovative device combines the precision of laser engraving with the versatility of silk screen printing, perfect for DIY projects. Achieve detailed designs with an accuracy of up to 0.01 mm on materials up to 60 mm thick. Ideal for t-shirts, tote bags, posters, and more, this machine allows you to complete screen printing in just 3 hours, significantly faster than traditional methods. The compact, space-saving design fits effortlessly on your desk, ensuring your workspace remains organized. Transform your creativity with the screen printing machine, your ultimate tool for vibrant, high-quality prints. Number 4. Automatic liquid filling line. The automatic liquid filling line, an advanced solution for efficient production. This compact 4-head filler handles 30-ounce bottles with precision thanks to its adjustable 3.28 feet conveyor and built-in infrared sensor. Ideal for various liquids, it supports bottle diameters of 20 to 90 mm and heights of 80 to 250 mm. With user-friendly control for 4 nozzles, you can program and fill bottles simultaneously, enhancing productivity. The exposed tube connection simplifies cleaning and maintenance, ensuring long-lasting performance. Perfect for small enterprises, this machine promises seamless operation and consistent quality, making it an essential tool for your liquid filling needs. Number 5. Dry powder mixing machine. Introducing the dry powder mixing machine, engineered for unparalleled efficiency in blending powder and granular materials across various industries, including food and chemicals. measuring 12.2 x 16.54 x 16.54 inches and weighing 36.65 pounds. This robust mixer ensures homogeneous mixing with high efficiency and no material accumulation. Its unique cylindrical design and high-quality stainless steel construction guarantee durability and ease of maintenance. The machine's user-friendly interface simplifies operation, while its sleek, clean-cut design ensures convenient cleaning. Perfect for labs and small-scale production, the dry powder mixing machine is your reliable partner for achieving consistently high-quality mixes, elevating your productivity and operational efficiency to new heights. Number 6. Mini pottery wheel. Unleash your creativity with the mini pottery wheel by Weaver. This compact yet powerful 10-inch pottery wheel is designed for both budding artists and seasoned potters. Featuring a 9.8 inches (25 centimeters) turntable, it offers ample space for a variety of pottery projects. The digital display and touchscreen interface make it user-friendly, while the quiet, reversible motor ensures a seamless and enjoyable crafting experience. With superior quality construction, this pottery wheel guarantees steady and secure operation, making it ideal for school teaching, DIY pottery shops, and professional studios. Included complete sculpting tools and superior mud blocking capability enhance your sculpting precision and control. Experience premium craftsmanship and innovative design with Weaver's mini pottery wheel, your perfect partner in pottery. Number 7. Cash Cube. The Sayok Cash Cube, a captivating and interactive attraction perfect for events, trade shows, and retail promotions. This vibrant 5.9 feet x 5.9 feet x 8.2 feet inflatable money grab machine is designed to draw in crowds and provide endless entertainment, made from durable 210D Oxford cloth and transparent PVC. It ensures longevity and visibility. The easy-to-access large zipper door, wristbands for stability, and top vent for optimal airflow enhance user experience. Simple and quick to install, this floor-standing booth is convenient to transport and maintain, whether for marketing promotions or fun activities. The Sayok Cash Cube is your go-to solution for creating memorable and engaging events. Note, blowers are not included. Please prepare suitable air blowers as per the specifications. Number 8. Chamber Vacuum Sealer. Preserve your food with the Weaver Chamber Vacuum Sealer, designed to extend the freshness of your items while maintaining their original taste. This high-performance sealer features a powerful pump and a spacious sealing chamber, ensuring an efficient sealing process. The intuitive microcomputer control system includes a digital panel with adjustable settings, vacuum gauge, sealing temperature control, and an emergency stop button for precise and safe operation. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this vacuum sealer is not only secure and easy to clean, but also resistant to rust and water. Its transparent organic glass lid offers excellent hardness and explosion protection, making the vacuum and sealing process visible. With its compact and portable design, complete with a convenient carrying handle and rubber feet for stability, this versatile machine is ideal for sealing fresh meats, vegetables, electronic components, and more. Perfect for restaurants, food factories, homes, and dessert shops. Number 9. Leather Cutting Machine. Unlock unparalleled efficiency and precision with the Weaver Leather Cutting Machine, the ultimate tool for your business. Constructed with 45 cold-drawn steel and enhanced with a black oxidation finish, this machine is built to last. Its advanced needle-bearing system ensures remarkable load handling and surge suppression, perfect for high-demand projects. Designed with integrally forged needle roller bearings and dual guiding shafts, it offers a formidable bearing capacity of up to 1.5 tons, 3,307 pounds. The silicone manganese steel spring wire and asymmetric bottom plate guarantee stability and precise cuts every time. The adjustable pressure stroke of up to 12 mm 0.47, allows for effortless operation, even for beginners. Ideal for cutting diverse materials like fabric leather, foamed PVC or EVA, and more. The Vevor leather cutting machine is your gateway to professional-grade crafting and profitable ventures. Number 10. Pneumatic strapping tool. Streamline your packaging operations with the ZonePack pneumatic strapping tool. Designed for efficiency and ease of use, this lightweight yet robust machine accommodates PP belts and PET tapes ranging from 12 to 19 mm, 0.47 minus 0.74. Featuring a powerful pneumatic power design, it delivers high tightening force, ensuring secure and tight packaging. Constructed with high-strength materials such as alloy steel and aluminum, it guarantees durability and long-lasting performance. The advanced manufacturing technology and high-reliability design make it ideal for heavy-duty packaging tasks. Perfect for various industries, including lumber, bricks, building materials, metals, chemical fiber, and tobacco, this tool excels in versatility. Simplify your packaging process and enhance productivity with the ZonePack pneumatic strapping tool, your go-to solution for professional-grade packaging.